Hey guys, it's Robert. 2001 F350. The mods will be in the description. It got kind of cold last night, the night before, and the truck's had some pretty interesting cold starts here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to crank it. It got down to 27 degrees last night, if I remember looking at the thermometer outside correctly. It's 52 right now. The truck's been sitting for about 14 hours since it was last cranked. So we're going to get here and crank it and see what it does. It has a pretty nasty lope to it. Has a pretty nasty lope when you first try to crank it. I'm going to set this camera out here. So there it is. She's cranked up now. And I see some of the smoke left over. But as you can tell, it does have some pretty nasty cold starts to it. But that's the 7.3 liter diesel for you. Yeah. Y'all watch the video, tell me what you think. Peace out.